There you are, sir. How's it going? Excellent. New camera. Very nice. Alright guys, welcome to another vlog. The new camera now, I'm trying to use it. It's going to take a little bit of adjusting, but it should be good. Alright, first up we're going to take a look at this oil leak on the S15 before I drive it to get the tint done. But anyway, let's go have a look. While you're there, hit the subscribe button guys. I love doing this stuff, so let's go tackle the S15. I really need to get some jack stands for home. For now I'm just using wheels. I don't know if you can see that guys. There's a hell of a lot of oil dripping down and the puddle here. So I'm looking up, it looks like it could be either maybe oil feed line to the turbo or something like that, but see these oil drips, and under the car is now very lubricated. So I'm going to take a look and see if I can't find out where it's coming from. I have some degreaser here, so I'm going to hit it and see where we get to. I don't know. Be nice if I could stop it from leaking. It. The good news is it doesn't look like it's coming from the sump, which I'm happy about. So joy. So positive news is it looks like it's just coming out of the oil feed. I'm gonna try and fix it up now, because if I can fix it up, it means one less thing for Ben to take care of when I get it down to Kevin Bell Mechanical. So we'll give that a shot right now. Just have to remove this stuff, probably take the intake plenum completely off, take this hot pipe off, and I should be able to get into there reasonably easy. Give it a go. Alright guys, look like we have got to the bottom of the issue. Try and zoom in. Now I have a camera I can actually zoom with, but the camera doesn't want to zoom. But it's the oil, it seems like it's the oil feed line. So that line right there, when I start the car, oil comes around it. So I need to get something down into there to be able to tighten that up. I've already taken all this apart. You can see, taken everything apart already. And I've got to leave in the next hour to go get the wheel alignment done. Not wheel alignment, tint the windows. So I better get this sorted ASAP. Okay. Well guys, shit luck basically. I tried to fix the oil leak, but it turns out there's actually the thread's gone in the block. So I'm trying to organise a trailer now to tow this car to go get tint done and then tow it down to Kevin Bell Mechanical. I'd rather not try and put it back together and drive it there with a big oil leak. Obviously with it already all pulled apart like it is, it's going to make things easier for the guys down there to get started on the car. So we'll get everything sorted. It's going to be a fun day. Alright, we're down here at the track now picking up the trailer. Got it behind a VG30.
33 mate.
VG33. This is like a 300ZX motor in a Pathfinder. So we're now going to go pick up the S15 and tow it to tint, and then tow it down to Kevin Bell because I'm booked in and I don't want to back out on my booking. So fun times. Alright, we've made it down here to the show off your tint guys. We had to tow it down, as you can see, but the guys are very accommodating. We've got the car in on the trailer. So the reason being is the oil leak. As you can see, it freaking sucks. But yeah, like I said, the guys are being accommodating. They're gonna do it on the trailer and should be good. But one of the things they were saying to me is they've seen Scarlett designing my V35, and there was someone that commented on the video, why don't you tint the front windscreen green like Scarlett's sort of done it green. So we're gonna go check out some of the different color tints here. Show me what you got. Alright. Different colors. Oh, that's all different colour tint. See, I think she painted the head. I think she's done the headlights in like pink and purple as well. So I don't know.
We could probably arrange that.
Yeah. Well, that's purple.
Well, that's tint. So to do the headlights, and that would be pretty tricky.
Ah. Oh, do you do lights in something else?
We use clear colour. So that's a lighter colour.
Yeah. Oh, that's for lights.
Stuff. Yeah, this is see-through. It's clear. So.
Oh, really? It doesn't look see. Oh, okay. Oh, there you go. It is see-through. Yeah. Okay. But you can probably, like you say, you probably get different colours in that anyway.
Yeah, I think we can order 90% of colours now. I think the only colour we can't get at the moment is yellow.
So these are all different colour tint, guys. You get really wild. I would love to do it. If any of my race cars had windows, I would do it. But they don't have, or convertibles, I don't have any side or back or anything.
Just the windscreen.
And I'm not that game to colour tint my windscreen because I'm always wearing a different coloured visor anyway, so it already looks interesting, so that's sick. A lot of cool stuff here. And then drifting on the TV. Perfect.
You were on the TV before?
Huh?
Chelsea to no fight?
Oh, when I went...
Abu Dhabi videos, I think.
Yeah. There's already sizing it up. So what the guys do is they're actually cut it to size and stick it on the outside, I guess, to get the sizing right, and then they trim down to suit and then put it on the inside. So obviously put the, I guess, like lubricant, or it might just be water, I have to ask him. I think it's got something else in it, but put that down to then spread it out. It's pretty cool to watch, really. Some of the workers here know what's up. Slammy boy. Big slot head. Just like that, sick tint. So stoked. Look at the back window already. Oh, I'm zoomed in a bit too much. There we go. But that looks so much nicer. The black really contrasts well with the grey. Still need to get new tail lights though. Those tail lights suck. But overall, so I think we might need to get rid of the chrome as well. I'm not. It's up to my wife really, but I'm feeling like the chrome doesn't look that good on the grey. Maybe black wheels, or even a matte black wheel I think would look really good. We'll see, we'll see. Here we go, finished product. Actually makes the black mirrors look heaps better as well, which is what we were hoping. So we got 5% window strip, quite dark on the sides, and then heaps darker at the rear. Super happy with the finish. Makes the car just look a million times better. Love it. Alright, now let's get the car down to these guys so we can fix this goddamn oil leak. Come on. Hey, sec. Thanks, man. Thank you. Okay, we're down here at Kevin Bell Mechanical now. S15's inside already. Gonna hopefully get this oil stuff fixed, I guess. You don't have as much swagger at work, mate.
Hey?
You don't have as much swagger at work.
No, I'd tone it down a bit, you know. Otherwise there's people here all the time just wanting to hang around and talk to you.
What is this?
Colour match, mate, for the 15.
How close is the colour match? I think that's a bit lighter.
It is a little bit.
That works though, right?
Okay.
This is the service with a smile right here.
That's it, washing trailers.
Yeah, oily trailer. Not ideal, but Ben had obviously the industrial style cleaner here that'll do a much better job than any crap that I had, so it'll be better.
I don't think anyone's ever washed their trailer.
Huh? I always wash
You do?
mine. Yeah, I've washed it heaps of times. I hate it.
I want to go down this way too. I'll go down there too. Hi, stop! I want to go down with you. Wait. Ow!
Alright, gonna wrap up another vlog there, guys. Not the way I thought the day was going to go, especially with the S15, but it is what it is. Ben's onto it now, and hopefully we'll get it sorted out. I'm not sure what's in store for tomorrow, but I'll see you guys then. Bye.